So last night was interesting with the whole bear coming into camp. I mean, she was literally like right by that log. My tent was like right there. She's like 20 feet from me. I think she was just gonna do a snatch and grab or whatever and see if she could get away with just grabbing something with her and our cub, because she ran off pretty easily when I hazed her. I got a couple of nice neighbors. They're up doing half dome right now. And then I had a couple of really rude ones that are up there. I can still see them. They were noisy past hikers midnight, and then this morning when they woke up at 5:30, they were just talking in basically normal voices, super rude, inexcusable. Like they were the only ones in the wilderness. And I didn't sleep all that great, probably partly because of that, and partly because they had to get up early for half dome, but they were as quiet as they could be. And no bear issues last night. Yeah, so I'm hiking out to Happy Isles now, where hopefully my fiance will be waiting for me to get off the trail. So it is 7 o'clock and I'm just about packed. I just need to put my pad on and hat and everything, and that should be good, and I'm gonna head out here in just a minute. So I'm gonna hit the trail and go home. One thing I forgot to mention is last night when I was redoing the tape and stuff on my feet and I took off my bandage, apparently I had a blister, a small blister that had developed underneath the bandage, and I didn't know this. So when I pulled off the bandage, it ripped off the blister. So now my heel is a little bit painful. That might slow me down a little bit. I don't even know how I got it. I didn't even know I had it. I've only gotten one other small blister on my other heel, but that was never an issue. It went away and there was no problem. But hopefully no blisters on the way down. I have like 3,000 feet to go down, so we'll see how that goes. But so that's basically it. Interesting how those clouds go dip and back up, and the lower ones go up and dip a little. There's Half Dome. I think I see either people or signs on top. Maybe it's just tiny trees or something, I don't know. I can't tell if it's moving or not. Well, it looks like it's moving, yeah. So I'm sure those are people already on the top, watching the sunrise. I bet you it goes off around there and goes up. But I can't do Half Dome, I don't have a permit. I see you. Alrighty. Half Dome. Wow, what happened here? Clouds Rest, Merced Lake. Turn Lake, follow me meadows, 18 miles down your trail. Valley floor, 6.2 miles. Data Falls, 2.7. According to the map, the valley floor should be 6.3. Well, it's probably going to be a problem, as you can see, but I accidentally dropped my GoPro and it got scratched on a rock. Hopefully I can replace the little screen there, but it's quite possible, likely even from what it looks like, you're going to be seeing some sort of artifact on the screen. So sorry about that in advance. So sounds like Beth will not be able to meet me at the trailhead as I get out. Sounds like she's too far away. So there's that. trail hasn't been too bad. I have been intentionally going slow, but it hasn't been too bad. I could go a lot faster. Coming out into a little bit of a view, it looks like. I'll try not to take too much video with this because I'm sure you have that scratch across the footage, which I'm sure is not great. It is 8:17 and I am 4.7 miles away from Yosemite Valley floor. I believe this is the Merced River, and if it is, looking a little bit tame, a little bit low, but at least there's water there. I think this is the Nevada Falls Bridge. Doesn't look like it's got a ton of flow. You guys are being stupid. There's the falls. This is interesting. This trail has asphalt on it. What a view though. Haven't been able to get a look at Nevada Falls though. Interesting that there's a nicely built rock wall along the trail. There's Nevada Falls. trees turned from being evergreens and stuff to broadleaf plants. It is pretty in here.